Choose you this day whom you will serve. As for me and my house, we will serve the Lord. The camera craziness continues, capturing birds with new modern equipment and integration into the hi-fi home theater with Budgie, Buddies, Day, and K on display today. Hey KK, what you gotta say today? Hi, guy. What you gotta say today, Mr. J? What do you gotta say today, Mr. J? Well, hi, buddy. Hi, buddy. Hi, buddy. Hi. Whoa. Hi, guys. Wowzers. Wowzers. Well, hello there. Hi, little birdie birds. Hi. Bird, 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 bird. Bird is a word. Bird, bird, bird. Bird is a word. Don't you know about the word? Everybody heard that the bird is a word. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. You're a pretty birdie. I got the prettiest birdie I ever heard. Prettiest birdie I ever heard. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Hi, guys. Hi. What's to you? What's to you? Well, that's one. Well, that's one, yeah. Oh, that's one little birdie, eh? Oh, that's one little birdie. Oh. Let's go. Ready? That's a little. Yeah, that's a little bit. Demer, come on. You understand? Demer, come on, buddy. You understand? Hi. Hi, Mr. J. Hi, Mr. J. Whoa. Wowzers. Well, that's one back. We're going to get two? We're going to get two? Maybe. Oh, okay. Okay. Hi, buddy. Hi, Mr. KK. Hi, buddy. What you gonna do about it? What you gonna do about it? Hi. What's going on in the little bird's brain? What's going on in the little bird's brain? Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. This was a camera angle and the footage I was hoping to catch. So while I set the tripod up, you guys are finally going to do what I wanted to do. Yay, entertain me. What are you gonna do out here? What are you gonna do when it comes for you? What are you gonna do when it comes for you? What you gonna do? I'm gonna pull up my crew. What you gonna do? I'm gonna pull up my crew. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. What you do about it? What you do about it? David, KK, you so awesome today. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Woohoo! There's a party emergency. You so happy, you're gonna go pow all over the place. Yeah, you can go pow all over the place. What you do about it? What you do about it? Yeah, come on, bring it. Come on, bring it. Yeah, you ain't got nothing on me. Yeah, buddy. Yeah, buddy. What you gonna do? What you gonna do? Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Uh-oh. What we gonna do about it? What we gonna do about it? What you gonna do when it comes to you? What you gonna do? What you gonna do? What you gonna do when it comes for you? Bad bird, bad bird. Bad bird, bad bird. Gabriel, flap your wings? Hey, Kate, flap your wings? Either of you? Flap your wings? Come on, flap your wings. Come on, buddy. Come on, buddy, flap your wings. Come on, buddy, flap your wings. Come on, buddy, flap your wings. Flap your wings. Nay. Okay. Fine, have your own way. Yeah, buddy. You so cuckoo. You so cuckoo. Yeah, you so cuckoo for the coconut. Oops. That's not what I meant to do. Hold on. I found a real weakness with this new camera, and that's the touchscreen. It's just not that sensitive. And with a borderline economy tripod, it's hard to do movements or change things on the screen without shaking the camera a little. I got a little fob somewhere. Maybe I gotta turn it on and figure out how to control a little better with that. But the point is, the birds are having a fun time. They're having a blast. Yeah. Right? Oh, come on, y'all in the whistling mood earlier. Wowzers. What y'all gonna do about it? What you gonna do? I'm gonna pull up my crew. What you gonna do? I'm gonna pull up my crew. Alright, I guess it's time for a lunch break. That's a cool effect right there. This new camera's pretty cool. I figured I'd give you a little behind the scenes bonus footage. This is my moderate tripod with my new camera device. It's a Samsung A12. Honestly, not the best screen and processor and everything, but I'll tell you what, the camera actually is really good. So now that's my new camera, and like I said, I can now keep my phone up on the wall. I bought a new computer, and it's got an actual LED display with a touch screen like a tablet, but it's actually a Windows laptop, 3 gigahertz with a gaming video card on it, I guess. Like I said, it's kind of, it was said it's built for gaming, but it's the low end model. But I got it for a great price at a pawn shop yesterday or Friday. So now that is basically just a router and a DVD player. That's now a modem, but I don't have to use it as a hotspot anymore, so that helps improve everything. Because when I ran this off of Wi-Fi, or that off of Wi-Fi, is a little latency. And but with that as a hooked up to that takes care of the latency for the big screen. But now with that, it's nice to have that wireless. But with that as a router, now there's no latency with that. And I hooked that up to the big screen. Actually, they're both hooked up to the big screen. I just used the receiver to switch between the two. And then, of course, I got the cable coming out for the tablet to hook the tablet up if I want to. Alright, I just got done shooting the last video. I guess we can call it Purdy Birdie Emergency. Just went ahead and uploaded the files to the tablet. Now I got the tablet connected up to the big screen, and what's awesome is when I flip the receiver over to switch to the tablet, my new laptop screen comes on, switches over to the primary, so now I can watch and use my computer while I'm doing my tablet editing with actually an improvement in performance since I turned my computer into a router, and I got a computer that's 50% faster with a gaming video card on it, so to speak. And then of course there's my mouse. I flip the switch over to Bluetooth, and now I can control the tablet on the big screen, and this is what I was talking about with the software problem. Unfortunately, the software is good, but it's only profile. It's not portrait. Portrait. Not. No, I had it right the first time. It's not profile, so it doesn't take up the whole widescreen. So I gotta find software to solve that, and I'm still on the fence if I want to do tablet or PC in the long run for video editing. Because, you know, I noticed when I'm editing videos, it's nice having the second screen pop up over here, but I'm probably gonna end up barely using it like I am now, because just all my focus and attention's on there when I'm doing this. Alright, J and K. Then when I'm done, time to take the tablet and the video editor, make a birdie video out of it.
Answer the phone, Joshua!